Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. In this video, we are going to discuss how we can install IntelliJ IDEA on Windows 10 for Java development. So that's been said, let's get started. In order to set up IntelliJ IDEA for Java development, we have to install Java JDK and IntelliJ IDEA. First of all, let us install Java JDK. For that, open your favorite browser and search for Java JDK. And open the link from oracle.com. Don't worry about the download link. You will get the download link in the description box. Just open this link. So this is the Java SE download page. Here we have all the Java SE version. Java SE 16, Java SE 15, Java SE 11 LTS. Similarly, we get Java SE 8. We are going to download and set up Java SE 16. So to download Java SE 16, simply click on Download JDK under Java SE Development Kit. Here we have Java SE Development Kit 16 download page. Here we have some important Oracle JDK license update. If you want, you can read this. And here we have Java SE Development Kit 16 download links. So from here you have to select your operating system. So we are going to install it for Windows operating system. So here we have Windows x64 installer file, which is around 150 MB, and here we have the download link. Simply click on JDK16 Windows x64 bin.exe. Here simply accept the license agreement from Oracle Java SE and simply click on this download option. Here you can see it is downloading, so it will take some time depending upon your internet speed. Wait until the download complete. Let me tell you that if your download doesn't start automatically, then you have to create an Oracle account. So I had already made a video on how you can create an Oracle account. So you will get the video link in the I button, or you will get the video link in the description box. Our download has been completed. Now just go ahead and click on this arrow icon, then click on open. Let me minimize the browser. So here we have the setup window. Here simply click on next. And this is the location where your Java JDK 16 is going to install. So if you have a good reason to change this location, you can change by clicking on this change icon. And from the drop down menu, you can select here location where you want to save. For now, I'm just going to keep it default, then click on next. Our installation process has been successfully completed. Now let us close this window. Let me tell you that by just downloading and installing Java JDK 16 on Windows 10, Java file will not work. In order to run your Java program or Java files, you have to set up environment variable for Java JDK 16. For that, just open Control Panel and here click on System and Security and go to Systems. So this is your About section of your computer. If you are updated to the newer version of Windows operating system, then you will get this type of page. Here, look for Advanced System Setting. So let me minimize this window. So this is the System Property window. Under Advanced tab, you will find an option called Environment Variable. Simply click on Environment Variable. Here you will find two types of environment variables. One is User Variables and another one is System Variables. Under System Variables, look for a variable called Path. Simply select that path, then click on Edit. So here we have to paste the location of Java JDK installation folder. For that, simply open your C drive, then go to Programs file. Here you will find a folder name called Java. Just open this Java folder, and inside this Java folder, you will find JDK 16 folder. Just open this folder and look for a folder name called bin, B-I-N. So this is the folder. Simply click on this folder and copy this path. This folder contains an important file that is called Javac. So here we have Javac application. Javac is a compiler which will compile your Java program. So we need to set this location to our environment variable. So let me close this window. Here click on New and here just paste the path. Then click on OK and here also OK and here click on OK. So we had successfully set up Java JDK 16 on Windows 10. Let us check whether Java SE 16 is working or not. For that, simply search for command prompt and run it as administrator. So here we have command prompt. Here simply write few command, that is java space -version. Here you will find all the information about your Java JDK 16. Java version, that is 16, Java SE runtime environment build number, Java hotspot 64-bit server VM build number. Now to check whether Java C compiler is working or not, for that simply write a command called Java C. I had already told you that Java C is a compiler which will compile Java code. Hit enter. If you find bunch of statement, that means Java and Java C compiler is successfully set up on our Windows 10 computer. Now you can run any Java files or programs on your Windows 10 computer. Now let us install and set up IntelliJ IDEA for Java development. For that, open your browser and search for IntelliJ IDEA and open the link from jetbrains.com. Don't worry about the download link, you will get the download link in the description box. IntelliJ IDEA is one of the best IDE for Java development and Kotlin development. In this video, we are going to set up it for Java development. Now to download, simply click on this download button. This is the official download page from where you can download IntelliJ IDEA. Here you have to select your operating system. We are going to download it for Windows. Let me select Windows, and here we have two versions. One is Ultimate and another one is Community version. For Ultimate version, you have to pay, and for Community version, it is completely free. You can use it for JVM and Android development. Here you can see the difference between Ultimate and the Community edition. Let me download the Community edition version, and here you can see it is downloading. It is around 644 MB, so it will take some time to download. If your download doesn't start automatically, then you can click on this link to download IntelliJ IDEA. Our download has been completed. Now let us open this installer file. Here we have the setup window. Let me minimize the browser, and here simply click on next. This is the default location where your IntelliJ IDEA is going to install. If you have a good reason to change this location, you can change by clicking on this browse button. For now, I'm just going to keep it default. Then click on next. Here we have some option. If you want to create desktop shortcut, then simply check the box. I want to create 64-bit desktop shortcut launch icon, and I want to add open new folder as a project, and here you can select your programming language. For now, we are not going to select any programming language. In further process, I will show you how you can set up IntelliJ IDEA for Java development. And if you want to update the path variable, then you can simply check this box, but restart is needed for this process. After that, simply click on next, and here simply click on install. Here you can see it is installing, so it will take some time to install. Wait until the installation process complete, and after that I'll show you how you can set up IntelliJ IDEA for Java development. Here you can see our installation process has been successfully completed. Here we have two options. One is reboot now and another one is reboot later. I will simply select reboot later, then click on finish. Now to launch IntelliJ IDEA, you can simply click on this shortcut, or you can simply search for IntelliJ IDEA on search bar. Here we have the application. So simply launch IntelliJ IDEA. Here we get license agreement. Simply accept the license agreement, then click on continue. If you want to share your data with JetBrains, you can simply click on send anonymous statics, or you can simply click on don't send. So this is the interface of IntelliJ IDEA. Let me maximize the window. Here we have the welcome screen. From here you can create new project, open your existing project, or you can get it from VCS. And on the left hand side we have some customization option, plugins option, and you can learn more about IntelliJ IDEA by clicking on this icon. Let me click on customize. From here you can select your theme. You can also change your font size. If you want to add plugins to IntelliJ IDEA, simply you can click on plugins, and here you will find all the plugins which are supported on IntelliJ IDEA. Now let me show you how you can set up or start doing Java programming using IntelliJ IDEA. For that, simply click on this project option, and here click on new project. Here simply select Java, and here we have to select project SDK. By default, Java JDK 16 is selected. If you haven't installed Java JDK on Windows 10, you can simply click on this download JDK option. It will download the supported JDK. For now, let me select this 16 version and click on next. And here simply select create project for template. then click on next, and here name your project. Say for example demo. Here you will find tip of the day. If you want to check tips, you can simply click on next tips, or if you want to close this window, simply click on close. Here we have a window, what's new in IntelliJ IDEA 2021.1. You can check this, or you can simply close this welcome screen. Here we have our Java file which we had just created. Now let me show you how you can run Java programs. Let me print hello world. For that, let me use system.out.print. Let me write parentheses, and at the end let me put semicolon, and here let me write my string, that is hello world. Now to save this file, simply click on file, then click on save all. Now to run this program, simply click on this run option, and on the console you can see hello world. Similarly, you can print other statement. Say for example, thanks for watching the video. Now to save this file, simply click on file, then again click on save all, and here simply click on this run option, and here you will find thanks for watching the new video. Here you can see world and thanks are combined together. If you want to print a new line, then here you have to use println, then save the file, and here simply click on this run option. Here you can see hello world and thanks for watching the video. If you want to learn Java programming, then we already have a playlist on Java Beginner. You will get the playlist in the I button, or you will get the link of the playlist in the description box. So this way you can simply set up IntelliJ IDEA for Java development on Windows 10. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.